Hey everyone, it's Casey Neistat here. And let me tell you, I've been around the world, I've seen a lot of places, but there's something about the open road, the feeling of freedom, the unknown just around the bend. That's what gets me going. Today, we're diving into the 5 craziest American road trips you absolutely have to take. These aren't your average Sunday drives, folks. We're talking iconic routes, breathtaking scenery, and memories that'll last a lifetime. This is about more than just miles logged, it's about experiencing the soul of America, the heart of adventure. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to hit the gas, because we're about to embark on a journey you won't soon forget. Buckle up and let's hit the road. Let's hit. First up, we're hitting the legendary Route 66. This ain't just a road, it's a time machine. Stretching from Chicago to Santa Monica, Route 66 is a trip through the heart of America, man. You'll cruise past neon-lit diners, vintage motels, and those quirky roadside attractions that make you slam on the brakes and say, "What the?" We're talking giant dinosaurs, alien encounters, and roadside attractions that'll leave you scratching your head and laughing out loud. This is Americana at its finest, a true slice of history frozen in time. But it's not just about the sights, it's about the feeling, the nostalgia. You can practically hear the echoes of classic cars and the ghosts of legends who've traveled this iconic highway. Get ready to feel the wind in your hair and the spirit of adventure in your soul on Route 66. Next, we're cruising down the Pacific Coast Highway, also known as Highway 1. Imagine this: the sun on your face, the wind in your hair, and the endless blue Pacific Ocean stretching out beside you. This ain't just a drive, it's a postcard come to life. From the rugged cliffs of Big Sur to the glamorous beaches of Malibu, this road trip is a feast for the eyes. You'll encounter charming seaside towns, hidden coves, and maybe even a few surfers catching some epic waves. Make sure you stop and breathe in that salty air, feel the sand between your toes, and soak up the California sunshine. This is a road trip that'll stay with you long after you've returned your rental car. Now, we're heading east to the Blue Ridge Parkway, a winding ribbon of asphalt that cuts through the heart of the Appalachian Mountains. Get ready for stunning vistas, cascading waterfalls, and forests that seem to go on forever. This is nature's playground, and you're just passing through. The Blue Ridge Parkway is all about slowing down, taking in the scenery, and connecting with the great outdoors. Roll down the windows, breathe in that fresh mountain air, and let the peace of nature wash over you. Whether you're hiking to a scenic overlook, picnicking by a rushing stream, or just enjoying the ride, the Blue Ridge Parkway is a journey that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. For our next adventure, we're embarking on the Great River Road, a route that follows the mighty Mississippi River from its headwaters in Minnesota, all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico. This is a journey through the heartland of America, folks, where you'll experience the soul of the country and the rhythm of the river. You'll encounter rolling farmlands, bustling cities, and historic towns that time seems to have forgotten. Along the way, you'll discover the stories of the people and places that have shaped this nation. Make sure to sample the local cuisine, listen to the blues music, and immerse yourself in the culture that makes this region so unique. The Great River Road is a journey that will stay with you long after you've reached the end of the road. And finally, we're heading north to the Alaska Highway, a road that's not for the faint of heart. This is a journey through rugged wilderness, vast landscapes, and the untamed beauty of the last frontier. Get ready for towering mountains, glaciers that sparkle like diamonds, and wildlife encounters that'll leave you breathless. This is a place where you can truly disconnect from the grid and reconnect with nature. But it's not just about the scenery, it's about the challenge, the adventure. Driving the Alaska Highway is a test of your limits, a chance to push yourself and experience the raw power of nature. This is a road trip that will stay with you forever. There you have it, folks. The 5 craziest American road trips you need to experience. These are the journeys that will test your limits, open your eyes, and leave you with memories that'll last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your camera, and hit the open road. Adventure is calling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own road trip stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.